schools should remain open. That is the health advice.
Should Australian schools stay open or close immediately? Let's compare.
This is also what Singapore has done. Singapore has been one of the more successful countries. In Singapore, the schools are open.
Let's take our PM's advice and look to Singapore. Singapore is a country that has been able to successfully control the coronavirus while keeping schools open. But how are they ensuring safer schools?
Every morning, not just check the temperature of every kid. You ask them, are you having a cough? Are you having a sore throat? If you are, go home, rest for 5 days.
So Singapore is sending anyone who presents symptoms straight home. And here's the big difference, enacting at-the-gate temperature testing for every student. These are the Australian government's measures for keeping schools open. If you're sick, don't go to school, avoid assemblies, and practice good hygiene.
Very hard to do in a school, but we can trust our teachers to do it. Children should be washing their hands regularly.
We aren't doing at-the-gate temperature testing, so if the Australian government is going to look to Singapore as a shining example, we must follow full measures, or comparisons like this won't do us or our children any favours.
After schools shut their gates from Friday afternoon, they will remain closed for most pupils, for the vast majority of pupils, until further notice.
The UK closed schools based on sophisticated data modelling from the Imperial College COVID-19 response team, one of the most respected pandemic response units in the world. While there are severe economic and educational downsides to closing our schools, the Imperial College report recommends a suppression as opposed to a herd immunity strategy. Children may not show symptoms or even suffer much from coronavirus due to their strong immune systems, but they can be super spreaders and pass it on to others. Past epidemic evidence, even all the way back to the Spanish flu pandemic of 1918, show closing schools can make a big difference in flattening the curve.